While working on a takeoff in ProTrade, you can of course just draw out your takeoff items, right-click on them, and type in a product name. But you'll have to repeat this process for every product on every job. And your reports will also be limited to reporting only in basic measurements, linear feet, square feet, etc. But by creating products for your database, you'll have a list of products tailored to your business, and you'll be able to input product dimensions and waste factors to produce a shippable list of materials. Let's take a look at how this works. Here I've done a takeoff for the roof, and I've measured out the square footage for the shingles, as well as the linear footage around the perimeter for the drip edge. I'll just quickly type in the names for the products here, and create an itemized materials list. And I can see that I've got about 500 linear feet of drip edge and 5,700 square feet of shingles. For some jobs, this might be all you need, but there's no reason not to add in these products so that they're available again for future jobs. So to create products, head to the Database tab and switch to the My Products tab. Click the plus button to create a new product. And we just need to fill in some basic information about the product. Starting with the name here, I'll type in roof shingles. Then we'll want to choose what attributes we want to attach to this product. Attributes are a way of distinguishing similar products by type, finish, color, grade, species, etc. So in this case, I can add the year ratings as attributes to provide flexibility for this product on all future jobs I might be bidding on. I'll add the attributes 25 year, 30 year, and 40 year. Then you'll have the option to choose a default attribute. This will be selected for you initially when you call out roof shingles in the digitizer. Just select an attribute and click Set Default. You can also set Not Specified as the default, but I'll choose 25 year as my default since they're fairly common. Next, we can optionally enter the dimensions for the product. Now, if you just need to report square footages, linear footages, or volumes, you can just leave these fields blank, as the product will report exactly like it did when we manually entered a product name before. I'll leave this blank for now, but we'll come back to this in just a moment. Next, you have the option to apply a waste percentage to this product. It will simply add a specified percentage of waste to the report. So I'll enter a 10% waste here, and then click Save. Once the product is created, I can also assign a specific color to it by clicking this Edit button. I'll repeat this process for the drip edge, click the plus button, type in the name, and this time I'll leave the attributes blank. And again, if I just need the linear footage, I can leave the dimensions alone. I'll also choose not to assign a waste factor here, and just click Save. I'll select a color again, and then we can head back to the digitizer to see how all of this works. Now, instead of typing the name to assign a product, just come to Product and choose More Products. Click into the Product Picker window and select the product from your product database. Doing so will assign the product and change the color of the item. I'll repeat this process again for the shingles, but this time while I'm in the Product Picker, I can press the right arrow key to select an attribute for the product. And then click OK. And we can take a look at the report again. It looks the same as before, but this time the shingles include an additional 10% waste. And with these products saved, all of our future jobs will have consistent report formatting. For some jobs, this may be all you need to do, but just with one more step, we could choose to enter specific product dimensions and create a shippable materials list. Back in the My Products tab, I can click the Edit button for the shingles, and maybe this time I want to report in squares of shingles. I can type 10 feet by 10 feet to cover 100 square feet, and change the name to squares of roof shingles. Similarly, for the drip edge, I'll click Edit and enter the dimensions for a specific product, 3 inches wide by 10 feet long. Now if I go to view the report again, I'll see that I'm now reporting 52 10-foot pieces of drip edge and 64 squares of shingles. So, whether you just need to quickly estimate linear and square footages, or you need to create a shippable materials list with specific quantities of products, you can save yourself time, make your estimates more efficient, and have more consistent and professional reports by creating products in your database. Don't forget to check out the video on creating applications for your database, as well as the video detailing how to manage your PROtrade database. Links to those are available below the video.